How to change password on Windows 10. Hello Windows users, need to update your password on Windows 10 for security reasons or because you forgot your current one? No worries. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your password on Windows 10 in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Click on the Start menu and select the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings menu, select Accounts. In the left sidebar, choose Sign In Options. Under the Password section, click on Change to initiate the password change process. You may be prompted to verify your identity using your current password, PIN, or security questions. Enter your current password and then enter your new password twice. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. Once you've entered the new password, click Next or Change Password to save the changes. Then sign out of your account and sign back in using your new password to ensure that the change takes effect. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your password on Windows 10 to keep your account secure. Remember to choose a strong and memorable password. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next one.